in 7 there are two bits. In the first one, f is defined from R to R and defined as f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x. Yes, it is an important question. So check whether it is a 1 1 and 2 or state whether it is 1 1 and 2 by z cube. Justify your answer. So 1 1 please. It is important. I take a two elements of first. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to R. What is this R? Domain. In a domain, if I take two elements x1, x2, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, f of x1 is 3 minus 4x1, 3 minus 4x2, 3 get cancel, minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2, minus 4 cancel, x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. For onto function, say it is defined from set of real number to real numbers. If I take an element, let y belongs to codomain. If f of x is equal to y, what happens? What is f of x? 3x minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 4x is equal to y. What happens if you convert it for x? So if you shift 3 minus y is equal to 4x, means x is equal to 3 minus y by 4. Is it real number? Yes, it is a real number. For any y belongs to R, there exists an element x belongs to R in a domain. So it is belongs to in a domain. So we can say it is a onto function, that it is. For all y belongs to R codomain, that is we can say if there is an element y belongs to codomain, then there exists an element corresponding element x in R, that it is a domain such that f of x is equal to y, such that f of x is equal to y. This is what the question number 7 in that first bit. It is both 1 1 as well as onto function. Therefore f is onto. If it is both 1 1 onto, we can say f is bijective. F is bijective function. Next. Now we discuss about the question number 9. We have completed 8 also. Now we discuss about the question number 9. Sorry, in a 7-second bit. In 7-second bit. So what is that? F is defined from R to R, and f of x is 1 plus x square. F of x is 1 plus x square. 1 1 case. For all x1 comma, see we are not getting, so x1 square is not equal to x2 square because of real numbers. If I take an examples, for example, f of minus 2 is 1 plus minus 2 square, which is 5. F of 2 is also 1 plus 2 square, which is also 5. That is f of minus 2 is equal to f of 2, but minus 2 not equal to 2. This is enough for saying f is not 1, 1. Next for onto case. Onto case. If I take a real number that it is a negative real number, minus 2 belongs to, like minus 2 belongs to a real number that it is codomain, then there does not exist, means negative real numbers we are not getting for a square and adding 1 to that square. Square means it is always positive. So but the codomain also has the negative real numbers. So minus 2 belongs to our codomain, then there does not exist an element X in R that it is a domain such that f of x is equal to minus 2. There does not exist an element in a domain X in a domain such that f of x is equal to minus 2. Therefore f is not onto. Since f is neither 1, 1, therefore f is neither 1, 1 nor onto. I can say f is not bisected. F is not bisective. This is the way we can, for the 1, 1 onto for the question number 7 in that second bit. Next, question number 8 already we have done. Question number 9. F is defined from n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers. F of n is defined as n plus 1 by 2 and it is n by 2. If n is odd, this is if n is even. For all n belongs to natural numbers. For all n belongs to natural. State whether f is a bisective. Justify your answer. See, for bisective, first we have to check 1, 1 and onto. For 1, 1 case, what is f of 1 value? If I take n as 1, n is an odd number. First case we have to go 1 plus 1, 2, 2 divided by 2, it is 1. What is f of 2 value? F of 1, first case, that it is 1 plus 1 by 2, answer is 1. F of 2, second case, even number, 2 divided by 2, it is also 1. That is, f of 1 is equal to f of 2, but 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f is 1, 1. Therefore f is 1, 1. Onto function. Now for onto functions, we discuss about the two different cases. Case 1. If n is odd. If n is odd means odd numbers, so they can be represented like this, 2r plus 1. If I take n is equal to 2r plus 1, then what happens? So if you substitute there, that it is a first case, if n is odd, so whether the resultant, that it is n plus 1, f of n is equal to f of 2r plus 1, 2r plus 1 divided by 2, so this plus 1 as it is, means we get it as r plus 1. So R plus 1 is also a natural number. R is a natural number. R plus 1 is also natural number. Say 2R plus 2. Actually 2R plus 2, 2 if you take common and cancel, so it is R plus 1. So it is belongs to a natural number. So therefore F is onto in the first case. F is onto. Case 2. If n is even, n can be represented as 2r. So r is a natural number. So n is equal to 2r. F of n can be written as f of 2r. Means 2r divided by 2. So it is r. It is also belongs to natural number. So therefore f is onto. So f is onto in case 1, case 2. So we can say f is onto. But f is not 1, 1. Since f is not 1, 1, f is not 1, 1, but onto. So it is enough for saying that f is not bijective. She is asking the bijective. For bijective, it has to be both 1, 1 onto, not only onto. Since this f is onto but not 1, 1. Yes. Next, question number 10, the last problem of this exercise, 1, 1 and 2, and a very important one. It is also important for 5 marks. Question number 10. F is defined from A to B, where A and B are given as A is a set of real numbers except 3, B is a set of real numbers except 1. F of x is defined as x minus 2 by x minus 3. We have to check it is 1, 1 and to justify your answer. 1, 1 case. If I take for all x1 comma x2 belongs to capital A, it is in a domain. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if f of x1 equal to f of x2 means x1 minus 2 divided by x1 minus 3, x2 minus 2 divided by x2 minus 3. Now cross multiply. x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3, x2 minus 2, x1 minus 3. Multiply. x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6. x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 plus 6. Now where 6 get cancelled, x1 x2 get cancelled. So minus 3x1 minus 2x2 is equal to minus 3x2 minus 2x1, because 6 get cancelled and x1 x2 get cancelled. Now x1 x2 collect it one side, x2 if you take this side it is 3x2 minus 2x2, x1 that side means it is 3x1 minus, if shifted then it is a plus 3x1 minus 2x1. So x2 is equal to x1, so implies x1 is equal to x2. We have considered f of x1 equal to f of x2 and we have proved x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Now we check for onto function. onto function. If I take an element, let y belongs to b, and if y is equal to f of x is equal to y, that it is x minus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to 1. Convert it for x. X minus 2 is equal to cross multiply xy minus 3y, x minus xy, 2 minus 3y. So if I take x common, it is 1 minus y, 2 minus 3y. Next, x is equal to 2 minus 3y divided by 1 minus y. So y cannot be 1 to define the value of x. Y cannot be 1 because y belongs to b, and cannot be 1 because it is given b as real numbers except 1. Means it is always belongs to set A. X is always belongs to set A, that it is. So for all y belongs to b, then there exists x belongs to A such that so we have done. So this is f of x is equal to 1. For all y belongs to b, then there exists x belongs to A such that then there exists an element x belongs to A such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is onto. Since f is both 1 1 and onto, therefore f is both 1 1 and onto. He is asking both 1 1 and onto. We can also call it is a bisective function. This completes your function concept. So in this chapter we are having the functions concept for 1 1 onto and bisective. These are the 10 examples in the second exercise, and the solved examples before this exercise you have to practice yourself from a